In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your profile picture is managed by your organization and change it in Google Workspace. If you or someone on your team sees a message saying the profile picture is managed by your organization, that simply means the image is controlled from the Google Workspace admin console. To update it, you'll need to be signed in with an account that has the right admin privileges. If you're not an admin, share this video with the person who manages your organization's workspace. Start by opening the Google Admin Console in your browser and sign in with your admin account. Once you're in, look for the section labeled Directory. This is where user information and organizational contact details are managed. Click Directory to open it. Next, go to Users. This page lists all the accounts in your organization. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find the person whose profile photo needs updating. Keep in mind, if you manage multiple organizational units, make sure you're looking in the correct one so you're editing the right account. Select the user to open their account details. You'll see their profile overview, including contact info and account status. Here, you can manage profile fields that appear across Google services. Now, click the profile image area. If there's already a photo, you'll be able to replace it. If not, you can add one. Choose Select Photo or a similar option, then pick the image from your computer. For best results, use a clear, professional, front-facing photo with good lighting. A square image works best, ideally at least 720 by 720 pixels, and common formats like JPG or PNG are supported. If prompted, adjust the crop so the face is centered and fills the frame comfortably, then save. After you save, the new picture won't change everywhere instantly. It can take a little time to propagate across services like Gmail, Calendar, and Google Meet. Refreshing the page or signing out and back in may help you see the update sooner, but full rollout can take a short while. If you don't see the option to change the image, double check that you're using an admin account with permission to manage user profiles. Policies set by your organization can also affect who can update photos and where they appear. That's it. You opened the admin console, navigated to Directory and Users, selected the correct account, and updated the profile image from your computer. With that, the Managed by Organization message is addressed, and the user's new photo will appear across Google Workspace once it finishes updating.